So, hello everybody. My father wanted to start a small project on his house. It's about renovating the facade of one side of the house, and he needed some equipment for that. And I'm showing to you what equipment I bought for him. First of all, he needed a cordless drill driver, and I bought this from Bosch. So this is a cordless lithium ion drill driver, GSR 1082, and let's see what's in the package. As usual, all the documentation, and here is the drill driver. The weight is acceptable. This is the lithium ion. Battery. Here you see how it works. I can switch the directions here. And on top I have just the possibility to adjust the speed. So it's also nice that there is a small light on the front. I think this is not really necessary. And this is the lithium ion battery. It's getting it out. It's not so easy actually, as you see. And here you can put in the drills. Now here we are. This is a lithium battery. In this package we have a second one here. And this is a charger. Now if you need something on your outfit to hang this driver into, you could use this one. And what I also bought for this package is this drill, set of drills. Now let's see, when we open it, we can take it out here. So this is a set of drills, also from Bosch. Take this one out. It's funny how you place it in, so when you would like to place it in this way, it doesn't work, it's too much resistance. So you take this one, put it in here and plug it down. Okay, so good luck working on the house facade.